At Zeppelin, we value your time. We have tight 1-hour arrival windows, and we also send a text when the technician is on the way. When we arrive at your home, we will thoroughly explain the air duct cleaning process. We will give you a time estimate and take proactive measures to protect your home. We carefully inspect your ductwork and take before photos to share with you after the job is complete. The combination of the world's most powerful vacuum trucks and our highly trained technicians is what makes Zeppelin Cleaning Services the #1 air duct cleaning company in Michigan. Over time, air ducts become caked with dust, debris, pet hair, dander, allergens, and more. Our air duct cleaning process improves the indoor air quality of your home, extends the life of your HVAC equipment. We recommend duct cleaning at least every 3 years. Once the job is complete, we clean up our work area and share before and after photos to show you how clean the ductwork is. Thank you for trusting us in your homes and businesses since 2007. Our state-of-the-art equipment, highly trained technicians, and transparent pricing is the reason why we have nearly 1,000 5-star Google reviews. Your family's health and wellness will always be our #1 priority, and we look forward to servicing you for years to come.